So this is the continuation of last video, that we were doing the examples of zero order reaction in which I said decomposition of ammonia. So you can see here decomposition of ammonia. This 2 and 2 here, they are not affecting the rate of reaction. Here the rate of reaction is independent of concentration of NH3 and N2O. In last video the audio was clear to you, but the reactions were not visible to you. To just make it clear in this video. At the same time, I showed you T half. T half is proportional to concentration of A0. बाकी हे सगळे constant आहे. 2 आणि K हे constant numbers आहेत. K is velocity constant or proportionality constant or rate constant. हे constant value आहेत. मग T half कोणावरती depend आहे? कोणाला proportional आहे? T half is proportional to A0, that is initial concentration of the reactant. This can come for MCQ, and notice the two reactions again. Now in the next part, we would study the pseudo first order reaction. This is the next concept, pseudo first order reaction. Now we will see the pseudo first order reaction. What is this, or what does pseudo first order reaction mean? Atha, this is a reaction in which the reaction has higher order, but it follows first order rate law. Such reactions are called as pseudo first order reaction. Proper meaning काय आहे की दिसताना रेट लॉ मध्ये दिसताना हा रिएक्शन हायर ऑर्डरचा दिसतो, पण तो फॉलो काय करतो? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन फॉलो करतो, म्हणून इट इज कॉल्ड एज सूडो. सूडो म्हणजे काय? फॉल्स. विच इज नॉट ट्रू इज सूडो. सो इट इज फॉलोइंग फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, पण दिसायला त्याचा ऑर्डर आपल्याला हाय दिसतो, म्हणजे इट लुक्स मोर देन 1. ऑर्डर मे बी 2, 3. It is visible of higher order, but actually experimentally, practically, it is following first order rate law, first order reaction. It is rate law first order चा follow करतो, म्हणून it is called as pseudo first order reaction. So the best example which is studied experimentally is of hydrolysis of methyl acetate. This is methyl acetate, which is an ester. We are carrying out hydrolysis of methyl acetate. After hydrolysis, the products formed are acetic acid and methyl alcohol. This is acetic acid and methyl alcohol. Now rate of the reaction will be given as R is equal to K dash. आधी काय येणार? R is proportional to concentration of methyl acetate into concentration of water. आता मी proportionality sign cancel केला, तर I will get R is equal to K dash into concentration of methyl acetate into water. Right? Now, this water in the hydrolysis reaction, the concentration of water is taken in excess. Excess मध्ये जातो concentration of water, and because of that, we can take that water as a new constant K dash. आपण वॉटरच्या कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनला K डबल डॅश म्हणून म्हणणार. K डबल डॅश because we are going to assume that as the concentration of water is taken in excess, we are calling concentration of water is equal to K double dash, because तो excess मध्ये आपण घेतो hydrolysis reaction मध्ये, and excess मध्ये घेतलेला आहे, तर we are just calling it as K double dash. त्याला constant म्हणतोय आपण. After that, R is equal to K dash into K double dash. Double dash कुठला आहे? H2O चा concentration K double dash into concentration of methyl acetate. In the next step, R is equal to K dash into K double dash becomes a big K, capital K into CH3, COO and CH3. That is concentration of methyl acetate. So in the value of R, in the rate law expression, we are getting only R is equal to K into concentration of methyl acetate. This indicates that although the reaction is of second order, because इथे पहा R is equal to हे दोन्ही आले, दोन्ही concentration आले, म्हणजे the order of the reaction is 2. Methyl acetate raised to 1, H2O raised to 1. So the order becomes 2. 1 plus 1, 2. But finally, at the end, we are getting R is equal to K into concentration of methyl acetate. This indicates that the order of the reaction is 1 here. म्हणजे दिसायला तो रिएक्शन हायर ऑर्डरचा दिसतो आहे, पण ऍक्च्युअली it is following first order rate law. तर हा क्वेश्चन आपल्याला कसा येतो, डेफिनेशन येते आपल्याला, डिफाइन pseudo first order reaction and explain it. In the explanation, you are expected to give the same as how I have given. You have to write the reaction, you have to write R and all this. Key water concentration is taken as K double dash, and as you have to mention the reason here. Why K? Because here concentration of water is